Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is inspired by the beautiful and amazing Mrs. Emily Norris. I will link her channel down below, so if you're not already subscribed, go over there, check her out. She is amazing. But she uploaded a video recently that was an entire house speed clean but limiting herself to 5 minutes per room. So I'm going to give that a go this evening. George is currently in bed upstairs, so I won't be touching his bedroom. And then I'm going to just chill this evening and have some nice dinner, watch something on telly, but I would like to get the house as clean as possible as I can before. So before we get into the video, if you do enjoy this, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. I know I say it every video, but I'm just so excited to actually get there. So if you are watching and you're not subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you do hit that big thumbs up button and the subscribe button as well. It will really help me out. But without further ado, let's get to cleaning. Okay, so the first room then that I'm going to be cleaning is the kitchen. This is probably going to take me a little bit longer than 5 minutes because I'm currently restocking our fridge because we had a new one installed today. Our other one broke, so we had to buy a new one, and then someone came and fitted it for us today. The fridge is looking quite empty actually because I need to do a food shop at some point, so it didn't take me too long. But the kitchen and the front room are probably the rooms that get the messiest throughout the day as we're cooking, George is playing, all those kind of things. So they're the two rooms that I feel like might take the longest.
Now, are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now, 'cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise.
I just wanted to mention that this bleach that I'm using here, which is the duck bleach, it's a limited edition one. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it is the best smelling bleach I have ever smelled in my life. Not that I am sniffing bleach, but it just smells incredible when you're putting it into the bowl. And then also the limited edition toilet cleaner that like hooks onto the side of bowl. It just smells incredible, and it sort of makes the whole room smell really nice as well. I got them from B&M. They're currently on offer at the moment. I think they were £1 each, so I would definitely recommend giving those a try.
And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right.
Okay guys, so that is the end of my speed clean. As you can probably tell, I only actually got to do a few rooms of the house, so this will probably be a really quick, speedy video as well as a speed clean. But I did the bathroom, and then George started stirring because I feel like I was just making too much noise and I really don't want to risk him waking up. So I've at least done the hallway, the kitchen, the front room, the dining room and the bathroom. My bedroom isn't actually that messy or that bad, and George's room is actually fine. I did that earlier today, although I'm sure by 7 AM he'll actually mess that up again. But that is the end of today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. I enjoyed like setting myself a timer. I definitely think I went over, especially in the kitchen, but because I had to restock that fridge back up, I feel like that's why it took me a little bit longer than normal. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd be really grateful if you did. And now I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to put my feet up. I'm going to eat a huge bowl of pasta, and I'm going to watch Grey's Anatomy, and I'm just going to have a really nice chilled evening. So thank you so much for watching again, and take care. Bye.